Hey there, and welcome back to your Bravo training. Today, I'll show you how to close your store using Bravo. Understanding the opening and closing procedures is key for accurate reporting. Let's get started. Starting from Bravo's dashboard, navigate to the side panel menu. Look for the Close Store option and click on it. This will take you to the Close Store screen. You can configure it for a blind count, which shows no expected figures, an open count that shows everything, or a blind cash count that displays everything except cash-related figures. If all figures match the expected values, click Use Expected Values. If not, simply type in the figures to change what Bravo has. Clicking Save will bring you to the tender transfer screen. If you want to do a bank deposit right then and there, type in how much you want to send to the bank. Or if you don't have a deposit, you can leave it blank and click Save. A closed store receipt will pop out and automatically return you to the dashboard. That's it! You've successfully closed your store. If you have any questions, Judy is one click away, or you can call us at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day!